Ever wonder how some people manage to travel so effortlessly, juggling their time between exploring new places and fulfilling their day-to-day responsibilities? Well, the secret lies in meticulous travel planning and effective time management. Picture this, a panoramic view of the azure sea, the sun casting a golden glow over the horizon, and you sipping on a refreshing drink, soaking in the tranquility. Now, how does one get from the daily grind to this idyllic scenario? It's not magic, but a well-orchestrated symphony of planning and time management. First things first, identify your destination. Whether it's the bustling streets of New York or the serene landscapes of Kyoto, the first step towards a successful journey is knowing where you want to go. Next comes the research. Dive deep into the specifics of your chosen destination. Understand the culture, cuisine, and key attractions. Knowing what to expect can save a lot of time and energy upon arrival. Once you've gathered enough information, start planning your itinerary. Break down your days into manageable chunks, allocating time for sightseeing, rest, and spontaneous adventures. Remember, flexibility is key. Over-planning can lead to burnout, so make sure to leave room for relaxation and unexpected detours. Now, onto the logistics. Book your flights and accommodation well in advance to secure the best deals. Also, take care of any necessary visas or travel documents. Nothing spoils a trip faster than last-minute hiccups. A crucial, yet often overlooked aspect of travel planning is budgeting. Determine how much you're willing to spend on different aspects of your trip. This will help avoid financial stress and ensure a more enjoyable journey. And finally, pack smart. Make a list of essentials, check the weather forecast, and pack accordingly. Carrying unnecessary items can weigh you down and waste precious time. In summary, the art of effortless travel hinges on thorough research, flexible planning, careful logistics, mindful budgeting, and smart packing. It's not about rushing through a checklist of tourist spots, but about immersing oneself in the experience, savoring each moment, and making unforgettable memories. So the next time you're planning a trip, remember these steps and transform your travel experience from stressful to enjoyable. Travel is a beautiful journey, and with the right planning and time management, it can be a breeze. So go ahead, chart your course, manage your time, and set sail towards your next adventure.